Well, WLWT investigates a bizarre legal filing in the case of Rodney Hinton Jr., the man accused of killing Hamilton County Deputy Larry Henderson.
Hinton's defense attorney says the federal lawsuit on his behalf didn't come from Hinton. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson digs deeper into who filed it and why legal experts say it's unlikely to go anywhere.
It's a case that's drawn national attention. Rodney Hinton charged with murdering Hamilton County Sheriff's Deputy Larry Henderson. This week, a strange development. A civil lawsuit seeking $25 million was filed in federal court.
He didn't file a lawsuit.
A woman from Georgia named Antoinette Holloway filed it on Hinton's behalf, claiming to be acting as his next friend, which is a legal term for being associated with someone.
I don't know if that person is a friend. I don't know this individual who filed a federal lawsuit. Mr. Hinton didn't file a lawsuit. The
suit claims the state of Ohio, Cincinnati Police, and Hamilton County Sheriff's Office violated Hinton's constitutional rights. Holloway makes what appear to be false allegations, such as, quote, Hinton appeared visibly beaten during his arraignment, reflecting physical abuse sustained in custody. She also claims he is being held at the Hamilton County Justice Center. Hinton is actually in the Claremont County Jail.
It's very unusual and it's not proper.
Local attorney Jason Philibom weighs in on why someone would file on Hinton's behalf.
Trying to get a piece of the pie, thinking, either some type of social justice warrior that you're trying to make a statement, or two, you're trying to get a piece of the pie.
WLWT found 11 other federal lawsuits filed by Holloway in the last few years against the state of Georgia, City of Atlanta, DeKalb County Police, and FBI, just to name a few. All but 2 pending cases were dismissed, a judge calling some of them frivolous. Philibom says there are a few directions this current case in Ohio can go.
The judge on his or her own could dismiss the case because it's not a licensed attorney. It's also possible the judge could put an order on that says you need to have a licensed attorney accept this case or it's going to be dismissed.
Or another possibility, the city of Cincinnati or Hamilton County could ask for a dismissal, or even Hinton's attorney, Clyde Bennett. Jason Philibom explained it that typically defense attorneys don't want civil cases to be filed at the same time as the ongoing criminal case because discovery filed civilly could be used against their client criminally. Reporting downtown, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.